Hello, Dr. Ruskop. This is Sushma Madhubana, and thank you for giving this opportunity to present this topic on data visualization. Today, I will be uh, introducing you to Power BI application as a part of SAS EIS 698 2024 Jan interim. So here are the table of contents for today. Coming to the introduction to the topic. So, what exactly is Power BI? Power BI is a business analytics service provided by Microsoft that allows users to visualize and share insights from their data. It provides interactive visualizations and business intelligence capabilities with an interface that is easy to use end users while offering advanced analytics and reporting capabilities for business professionals and data analytics. Sorry, Power BI it supports a wide range of data sources, including Excel workbooks, cloud-based and on-premises data sources, databases, and online services. It is widely used across various industries to turn raw data into meaningful insights. So, helping businesses make data-driven decisions. So what are the features of Power BI? So we have the features of Power BI include variety of eye-catching visualizations, filtration of data sets, which means Power BI offers a wide range of variety eye-catching visualizations, allowing users to present data in visually appealing formats. The platform supports both simple and intricate visualizations with an option to incorporate custom visualization from library. Users can create reports and dashboards based on the complexity of their project of their data set. I'm sorry, and like the platform also facilitates the filtration of data sets, which are collection of data from various sources. Users can filtrate data sets to focus on essential subsets of data. Um, of data. Power BI provides built-in data connectors for easy connection and dataset creation, allowing the import of data from single or multiple sources. So the other features also include flexible tiles and informative reports, which means Power BI provides flexible tiles and dashboards, allowing the users to customize the size and placement of visualization for clarity. Each tile houses a visualization contributing to organized displays. Reports in the Power BI compile dashboards with various visualizations related to specific business topics. These reports present insights in diverse formats, offering comprehensive displays of data. Users can easily share these informative reports via with the others very easily using the Power BI application. So these are the applications of Power BI. So we have different types of charts we are used in this Power BI. But they are stack bar, chart stack, column chart, clustered bar chart, clustered column chart, 100% stack, column bar chart, line chart, area chart, and tree map, field map, funnel chart, gauge chart, pie chart, donut chart. So these are all the types of charts used by Microsoft Power BI. So the usage of Power BI. So the Power BI is mostly commonly used by business analysts, my business intelligence analysts, supply chain analysts, and data analysts these days to uh, generate reports, manipulate data for developing data driven decisions. So this is the Power BI homepage. This is how exactly the Power BI on desktop, which after installing looks like. So here we have all the different um, under home. We have get data, Excel workbook, data hub, SQL server, enter data, data words, recent sources, and we have on the rightmost side we have the different types of visualizations, which I told before, like pie chart, donut chart, stack chart. There are many different types of visualizations which can be used to show the data or show the data. And this is like if you want to add the data to your report, so we can import it from like we can import it in multiple ways. That is, you can use your Excel sheet, import data from the SQL server, or we have different types to these are the different types to import data. So how to get the data? So in order to get the data, you can go to home, and when you have the get data, we have, if you want to take workbook, you can just click on Excel workbook. Or if you can see in this one, we can have SAP HANA database. Like we can connect to the databases also. And here, these are all the different ways of getting data. So inserting data from the Excel, I'm focusing primarily on getting data from the Excel sheet. So here, after clicking on Excel under the home, we can, if you can click on the desktop, we have different data sets given by the professor. So if you're using this kind of data for the further visualizations. So we have different views in Power BI. So this one is the model view of the data. You can see it's like SAP IDs for dataset 1 and SAP IDs for dataset 2, dataset 3, dataset 4, dataset 5. For multiple datasets, we have this is a model view, how it exactly looks like. And we have here, we can see the different types of view. This is the table view. So if you can see, we have the master data set, and this is the table view of the master data set containing of students, test one, in class one, in class two, in class exercise 6, midterm, lab one, test two, course project step one, course project step two, homework 8, and these are all the student IDs, and these are the corresponding data. So this is the um, table view for the SAP IDS, SAP IDS dataset 2, and this is for SAP IDS dataset 5 for multiple students with the data like with the student IDs. And coming to the task one, so coming to the task one here, the task one is about calculating average values of scores obtained by all the students for each course assignment in every course, and create a 2D chart using following axis. So this is the average of test two by the students. So here it is asked for like for, if you can see, this blue color is for student number 42. So here you can locate him and you can know his average of S2 of the particular student, and this is for data set 1, and this is for data set 2, this is for data set 3, uh, and for 2 it is for the average of test 1 for the students, and for data set 3 I have calculated for the average of course project 1 by all the different students, and for 1.4 part of 1.4 I've calculated the average of course project of step 2 for different students, and for under 1.5, I have calculated the average of final exams of all different students. And for here, and to represent the data, I have used a pie chart, which is easy and understandable for most of the people. So coming to task two. So task two is to combine all the charts created in the step one on a single 3D chart or charts, where third additional axis on this chart will be name of the course semesters. Okay. So here, part of step two, I've tried to visualize these average of final exam, average of final score, and average of midterm by the different students. So for step two, for figure 2.2, I have calculated the average of step 0.2 and average of step one by different students. So my main idea is to combine the task one. This is for average of one in class exercise 1, 2, 5, and 6 by different students. So three is to task three is to create five SAP IDs, 1 to 5 for every designated course. Create five 3D charts with the following axis: student number, name of various assignment. Okay, so this is for average of one, average of course projects, average of step two, average of final exam, average of lab one, average of midterm, average of one in by the student. Here you can clearly see like we have access here and the percentages, corresponding percentages. And the so like you can see the legends and different colors, which here you can check the colors corresponding to the percentages. In this column row, you can see the legends too. This is for the dataset 1, dataset 2, dataset 3, dataset 4, and this is for the dataset 5. And this is the representation for the task 3. And coming to the task 4, task 4 is to use five SAP IDs 1 to 5 and calculate percentage of students in each course who obtain A final grade, B, C, D, and other final grades. For every course, create 2D chart with the following axis. So uh, for 4.1, this is the average of final scores for the different students, and like. mm, and this is for the data set 2, this is for the data set 3, this is for the data set 4, this is for the set 5. And most I used a pie chart to determine this. And coming to the task 5, task 5 is to combine all the charts created in step 4 on a single 3D or chart, where third additional access will be the name of the semester. And so this is to combine the all the outcomes of task 4. And here this is for the maximum of final score, maximum of final score, and max of minimal score. So here this is the other type of visualization which I've created. So this is 5 2, this is 5 3. For this is for like this is created for the maximum of final score, and maximum of midterms for all the students. And here the color corresponds to different students. So this is to identify which students scored what score. And coming to sixth task, task 6 is to use task 6 is to use SAP IDS 0 and calculate average scores of scores obtained by all the students in this IDS and each course assignment. And so this is the task 6. And coming to the conclusion, so Power BI is uh, beginner friendly with graphical interface, making it quicker to learn than coding languages like Python and R. So while it has its challenges, the DataQuest platform provides support through hints, answers, and an interactive forum for learners. So I would it was challenging in the beginning to understand how exactly Power BI works, and but then eventually I understood how to work on Power BI. So these are the references which I use throughout my course throughout my course. Thank you.